Good afternoon. We are on the first day of VIV Select India 2026, and currently we are at Big Dutchman stall. We are having with us Mr. Marc Scott, Senior Area Sales Manager, Business Unit Poultry for Asia for Big Dutchman. So, how are you, Marc?
I'm very good, thank you.
So, how are you getting traction on the first day of VIV Select India 2026?
Today's been really busy, so it's good to see. The venue is great, and the traction we've had has been quite phenomenal. So lots of interest in our solutions for the poultry industry here in India, on the breeder side, the broiler breeder, and also on the layer side.
So, what types of solutions are you providing to the poultry processing industry, from broiler to breeders to the feed sectors?
So from all the equipment at Big Dutchman, we have 4 business units. We have poultry, egg, swine, and environmental solutions. So we offer all on the equipment side, but also we offer full turnkey solutions from equipment to building and all the support.
So, what type of solutions are you provided for the broiler management system right now?
So on broiler, we have your conventional broiler deep litter floor systems, so the feeding, drinking, lighting, ventilation. We also provide broiler colony systems, which are quite new to the industry here in India, and also broiler solutions in terms of plastic flooring in areas like some parts of India where the litter material is either expensive or hard to obtain.
So, coming on to the next one, you have just mentioned that you also do the waste management system, waste to wealth. You are creating a waste to wealth. So can you just explain about that system?
Yeah, so we have a business unit called Environmental Solutions. Our main product in that is what we call our compo tower. So the compo tower comes in many different sizes depending on the operation. And this basically takes the manure from the poultry house, whether it's a broiler breeder, layer, and it basically composts this manure into a biosecure organic product that can be sold on for a premium if the market's there.
So, India's food processing industry is growing with a massive CAGR, and due to the great protein demand among the Indian masses, the poultry sector is also growing equally. So, how do you see the evolution of the India's food processing industry and your participation in that journey?
So I'm quite fortunate because I've been involved in the poultry industry in India since 2008. I lived here in India for some time, up to 7 years, so I've seen the industry grow, evolve in a really good way. And I think lately with the traction for our business in the automation side, the EC housing side is becoming really important. And then obviously in the greater industry, you can see the processing the processing facilities that are coming up in India, and also the consumption of poultry meat in India is just going up and up. So all good for the industry.
So you have also highlighted the sustainable industries here. You have just mentioned in your portfolio that you are just keeping in mind the sustainable development goals which we have. So, what types of solutions are you providing for cutting the carbon footprint and the emissions from the poultry industry?
So we're providing in our manufacturing as well. We're taking the sustainability into our manufacturing, so from the beginning. And in our solutions, obviously looking at dealing with air pollution, dealing with poultry manure, but also on the automation side. So making these farms run more efficient is extremely important for bird performance, which cuts down the carbon footprint. So
coming again to the sustainability plank which we have, so what types of solution are you providing for cutting the electricity consumption in the industries which you are involved right now?
So we do have some solar solutions as well, but also in terms of poultry heating, we have water heating solutions that can be run on solar, also on the air scrubber. So again, sort of decreasing the emissions that are coming out of some of the poultry units. And as I say, with the compo tower, because we see across Asia, the actual manure management is a huge problem across Asia, now becoming a big problem here in India. So we feel that our compo tower for the manure solutions is a great product to have.
So how do you see the prospects of big drum expanding in India, the huge India's food processing market today?
So here across Asia, we have our main headquarters in Malaysia. We are a German company. Our global headquarters in Germany. But you see now in India, we have office, we have warehouse, we have technicians across the country. And again, in most of the other Asian countries, we have a presence of warehousing and office. For us here in India, we want to be part of the growth. We want to help with the growth of the industry here and support the industry here as much as we can.
So thank you, Marc, for the wonderful interview with you. Thank you.